welcome to another episode of Cooking Sessions with Kitty Masala. This is me, Manu Masala, and today we shall cook some aubergine in spicy sauce and rice. A little info when buying aubergines. We buy aubergines with this little round tip at the bottom. It's a male aubergine and there'll be less seeds in it. First, we shall put the rice to cook. So this is 1 cup of rice already washed and rinsed. To this we add 4 cups of water. And put it on medium flame. We cover it and let it cook. Now the rice is cooking. We come to our aubergine. For 2 people, I've taken 4 small aubergines to be curried. Slit it from the middle, another cross section into 4 bits, and it's ready. So for this preparation we use 1 big bay leaf, about 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, 3 or 4 heads of garlic, 1 little spoon of turmeric, 1 little spoon of cumin powder, 1 little spoon of coriander powder, 1 little spoon of red chilli powder, and 1 little spoon of garam masala. Here we have 1 head of black cardamom, around 5 or 6 cloves, around 7 or 8 black pepper heads, and some fennugreek seeds. 1 medium-sized onion, loosely chopped. I also have a little more than half a cup of groundnut, powdered. And we pour in some oil. Give it a minute for the oil to heat up. And then I throw in the cloves, the black pepper, and the fenugreek seeds. You can see as the oil heats up and they start to cook, the spices, they start bubbling. You see these tiny bubbles coming on top. I shall add the onions. We shall let this cook till the onions get a little transparent, goldenish. We take the flame to medium. And you can see the onions are already becoming transparent, brownish. This is the time when I add the bay leaf and the ginger and garlic in it. Break open the black cardamom, separate the seeds and let it go in. Stir it a little and let it cook not more for around 30-40 seconds. So you see in about half a minute you begin to smell, you can smell the spices and the onions getting cooked. This is the time I throw in all the powdered groundnut into it. Mix it thoroughly. Another half a minute, 30 seconds. We're gonna cook it. I would add the coloring spices, turmeric, and the red chili powder. I'll stir it again for a while. I'll add a little more oil in it. Now I shall add cumin powder, coriander powder, and the garam masala to it. Mix it well. And this is the time we add the aubergine to this mix. Stir it again. We add a little water to this mix. And then we should cover it and let it cook on low flame for about a minute or two. After a minute, we uncover the vessel and we smell the spices. And this is when we add some water. And we let this cook on medium flame, cover it. So it's been 10 minutes that our rice and the aubergine has been cooking. In between we uncover the aubergine, stir it a little bit. And now after 10 minutes we check what's happening with the aubergine and the rice. Now you see the rice, it's almost cooked. There's still some water so you can see the vapor coming out. We shall let it cook on low flame till all the water is evaporated, the vapors stop coming out. Keep it half covered, semi-covered. And yeah. You see the oil on the sides of the vessel? You know, little oil floating here on the sides. This means your dish is almost ready. It's already cooked. We give it a little more stir. I'm actually happy with this consistency. So I shall cook it for another minute or so. And then we are ready to serve. Now you see we've cooked this for a minute more. This is done. It's not so watery, the gravy. It's kind of thick. You can see the grainy texture that we've got from the groundnuts and the spices together. This is ready to serve. We shall take this off the flame. Now that the aubergine curry is ready, we take a look at the rice. The rice is ready. We should turn the flame off. So now that the rice and the aubergine curry is cooked, we are ready to serve and eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this little session with us at Kitty Masala. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions. And do like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, namaste. Have a super good day.